When it comes to tackling DIY projects around the house, having the right tools makes all the difference. The best home toolkit with drill combines versatility, power, and convenience, ensuring you're prepared for any repair or creative project. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. KingTool Drill Toolset Kit. The KingTool Drill Toolset Kit is a comprehensive and versatile solution for home DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Its upgraded toolbox combines functionality with style, featuring a multi-compartment design with a separate sliding drawer for organized storage. This thoughtful layout allows users to quickly find the tools they need, reducing time spent searching and improving workflow efficiency. With 276 pieces included, this kit covers nearly every common repair or project requirement, from furniture assembly and appliance installation to basic renovations. The set includes a wide variety of hand tools, including screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, and even a saw, ensuring that users have the right instrument for almost any task. One of the standout features of this kit is the 12V cordless drill, which comes with a 1.5 Ah lithium-ion battery, a 3/8 keyless chuck, and 2-speed control with a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. Lightweight at just 1.76 pounds, the drill is comfortable to handle, making extended DIY sessions less tiring. The tools themselves are made of premium materials with heat-treated chrome finishes, enhancing durability and ensuring long-term reliability. Beyond its practical uses, the KingTool Drill Toolset Kit also makes a thoughtful gift, perfect for Father's Day, Christmas, or any occasion for friends or family who enjoy home projects. Number 2. CRAFTSMAN V20 Drill Toolset Kit. The CRAFTSMAN V20 Drill Toolset Kit is designed for serious DIYers and professionals who demand both power and precision. At its core is the CMCD700 drill, equipped with a robust motor delivering 280 UWO of power, making it capable of handling even demanding drilling and fastening tasks with ease. It features a 2-speed gearbox, allowing users to switch between 0 to 350 RPM for delicate work and 0 to 1500 RPM for faster, heavier drilling applications. The CMCD700 drill also benefits from an intuitive design with improved visibility thanks to an integrated LED light, making it ideal for working in tight or poorly lit spaces. For more heavy-duty fastening tasks, the CMCF800 model in this kit provides 1,460 inch-pounds of torque running at 2,800 RPM with 3,100 BPM, ensuring strong and reliable performance across a range of applications. A standout feature is the one-handed drop and load bit change system, allowing quick and convenient transitions between tasks without interrupting workflow. Compact and ergonomically designed, the drill features contoured, overmolded handles that improve comfort during prolonged use and provide secure grip in any working position. Number 3. DEKOPRO Drill Tool Set Kit. The DEKOPRO Drill Tool Set Kit is a comprehensive and well-designed solution for home improvement enthusiasts. Its upgraded portable toolbox features a new design with an extra drawer, allowing better organization of tools for easy access. The large set includes 238 pieces, covering a wide range of hand tools such as screwdrivers, wrenches, hammers, and pliers, making it suitable for most household repairs, furniture installations, and DIY projects. Central to the kit is a 12V cordless drill powered by a 1.5 Ah rechargeable lithium-ion battery. The drill charges fully in just 1.5 hours and provides continuous usage for 1 to 3 hours depending on the task. It operates at a maximum no-load speed of 800 RPM, making it effective for both delicate and moderately heavy-duty tasks around the home. The kit also includes a Type-C charger for added convenience, ensuring that the drill is always ready for use. Built with premium materials, all tools are durable and reliable, while the plastic toolbox offers secure storage and portability. Number 4. Thatool Drill Tool Set Kit. The Thatool Drill Tool Set Kit is a complete 255-piece home tool kit designed to provide both versatility and convenience for all DIY and maintenance projects. Its all-in-one design includes a 12V cordless drill alongside a variety of hand tools, making it suitable for furniture assembly, home repairs, and general upkeep. The toolbox itself features a high-capacity, removable sliding drawer with tiered storage compartments, allowing users to organize tools efficiently while maximizing space. Made from durable plastic with secure latches, it safeguards tools during transport, ensuring they remain intact and easily accessible. The 12V cordless drill included in the set features a 1.5 Ah rechargeable lithium-ion battery with a maximum speed of 1500 RPM. It also includes integrated LED lighting for working in dark spaces, a 3/8-inch keyless chuck, and dual speed control, enhancing its versatility across multiple applications. Ergonomically designed handles provide comfort during extended use, reducing hand fatigue and improving control. The set's tools are crafted from high-carbon steel and heat-treated for strength and rust resistance, offering long-lasting durability and dependable performance. This practical combination of drill and hand tools ensures that homeowners and DIY enthusiasts have a comprehensive solution for almost any project. Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Drill Toolset Kit. The BLACK+DECKER 20V Drill Toolset Kit is designed for homeowners and DIY enthusiasts who need a reliable, easy-to-use, and versatile toolkit. At the heart of this set is the 20V Max lithium-ion drill, offering powerful performance for a wide range of home projects. Its lithium-ion battery maintains a charge for up to 18 months, ensuring readiness whenever needed. The drill features an 11-position clutch that prevents overdriving and stripping screws, giving users more precision and control during every task. The kit also includes 66 hand tools and accessories, covering most common household repair and assembly needs, and comes with a carrying bag for easy portability and storage. The BLACK+DECKER set is particularly suitable for individuals who appreciate convenience, combining a lightweight, ergonomic drill with a thoughtfully curated selection of tools. This ensures that both simple and moderately complex projects can be completed efficiently and with minimal frustration. The high-quality battery and durable drill design enhance long-term performance, while the included accessories provide versatility for different materials and applications. From assembling furniture to fixing appliances or performing small renovations, this set equips users to tackle projects confidently. With its combination of convenience, reliability, and thoughtful design, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Drill Toolset Kit stands out as a dependable solution for anyone looking to enhance their home toolkit. The set's portability, extensive tool selection, and powerful drill make it an ideal choice for homeowners seeking efficiency, performance, and ease of use in one comprehensive package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.